My cat is a literal baby. I have to hold him like this so he doesn't freak out. Are you okay? We're gonna do this intro, buddy, together. Hey everyone, welcome. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Gabriela, and recently I have fallen in love with houseplants. Cat-friendly, of course. So obviously that means I now have an obsession with adorable planters. But something that I noticed is that these can actually be kind of pricey, and especially if you have a lot of houseplants, this can add up. So I tasked myself with upgrading regular terracotta pots into super cute and trendy designs, and I narrowed it down to 3 of my favorites. So today, I'm gonna show you how to transform regular terracotta pots into super cute planters that will definitely match your design. And the best part is that they cost like $5 each. So let's get started. For the first one, I'm going to use temporary tattoos to design this pot. All you'll need are temporary tattoos, a terracotta pot, decoupage, and a sponge brush. Choose the tattoos you want to style the pot with and cut them to size. Place them onto the pot and press them with a damp sponge brush or cloth for at least 30 seconds. The instructions should tell you exact timing on the packet. Now, slowly peel off the paper and the tattoo should stick onto the pot. If it doesn't, keep the damp towel on for a few more seconds. Do as many as you want until you have your design. Once you're done, the last step is to just seal it all in with some decoupage glue. I'm using one that's for outdoors since I'll probably want to put some of these outside for a bit. And that's it, you're done. Look how cute. For this next one, I'm designing this pot with paper napkins. All you'll need are a terracotta pot, decoupage, a paintbrush, paint, a sponge brush, and cute paper napkins. For the first step, I'm painting the pot white and letting it dry completely. This is completely optional, I just like how the white looks with the napkin designs I chose. Next, take your napkin and separate the layers. Usually, paper napkins come with about 2 to 3 layers. These have 3. You'll only want to use the top one. Cut out whatever design you want to use for your pot. I'm going to be using these pretty butterflies, the bees, and some flowers. Now that you've cut out what you wanted, spread a thin layer of decoupage glue on the pot and place the cutout pieces on it and smooth it out as gently as possible. Put a little bit more of decoupage on the top of it to seal it in and just continue on with your design. Make sure everything is covered in a thin layer of decoupage. And that's it, you're done. So cute and easy. Okay, for this last one, I'm just using a Sharpie to upgrade the pot. All you'll need are a terracotta pot. I painted mine, but again, that's optional, and different colored Sharpies. Now, for this, it really doesn't matter if you're not much of an artist because, trust me, I'm definitely not, but this will be super easy. All I'm doing is drawing a cute little face first. I'm just fixing the lips a little. And now they look super cute. Next, I'm drawing small triangles at the top to go around the whole pot. Mine is definitely not perfect, but I kind of like it that way. And that's it. Look how easy that was, and it came out super adorable. You can do this in under 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm done and I am obsessed with how cute these little planters came out. My favorite thing about this is that you can really just let your creativity lead this project and style these little planters in any way that matches your design, and for such a cheap cost. Tell me which one of these 3 planters was your favorites, and also, how else do you all DIY planters? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.